Hi friends, this is Val. Welcome to my channel, voswain. Today I have an unboxing of a box that I packed for Operation Christmas Child for a girl in the age range of 10 to 14. But before I get to that box, I have an update on a box that I packed previously. It was my JoJo Loves Unicorns box. And after I packed this box and did the video and uploaded the video, my good friend Denise sent me the most perfect tote bag for this box. She made this tote bag and it is absolutely perfect for this box. It has images of JoJo and unicorns on it. It's a perfect size. It's perfect for this box. She was right. She told me that she was sending something and I should hold off on this box, so it was easily added. And Denise, I thank you. This tote bag is beautifully made and I love it, and this little girl is gonna love it, and I just thank you for this, friend. I just want to say that if you haven't checked out Denise's channel at D. Rogers, you should definitely do so, because Denise's boxes and her videos are amazing, and she's so generous with her time and her talents and her creativity, and she inspires me every day, and I promise you she will inspire your shoebox packing as well. So on to the box that I packed. This is, like I said, a box for a 10 to 14-year-old girl. It has a leopard print theme, and I packed it in a photo box that I purchased at Michael's. And right inside on the lid, I decorated it with just a picture of a leopard that I cut out from an old calendar. I added the phrase, "You are so loved," and these are just leopard printed sticker strips, and then just added those hearts, so she will see that when she first opens her box. And this is one of the play mats that I make with scrapbook paper, laminated. It has a leopard print on the play side, and then it's just white on the opposite side, so she can use that as dry erase. I have a note on it explaining what it can be used for and where she can find her dry erase markers inside the box. I have this shirt that I ordered from Amazon. It's just a ladies size small. It has a leopard printed heart on it, so that'll be nice for this young lady, and it matches the theme of her box. And so that is her t-shirt. This young lady will also receive 3 pair of underwear. I have different sizes, a couple of size 14s, and a pair of size 12. And she has 2 pair of socks. Here's 1 pair, just plain black. Her school supplies pouch. Inside she will find some leopard printed pencils. She will find just a regular rainbow eraser for school. She will find this compass ruler. It has instructions. A friend donated a bunch of those to me. Just an orange highlighter. She has several markers. I just got these on clearance at Walmart the other day. They're nice bold colors with they're dual tipped, fine tipped on one end and bold tipped excuse me, on the other. She has this real cute leopard printed eraser, just this little novelty eraser. She has this really cute novelty eraser that is a purse with a leopard print on it. She has several dry erase markers. These are really great because they're thinner, they fit nicely in a pencil pouch, and on one end they have a dry eraser. So she also has a glue stick, some ink pens, and a couple more erasers, and another leopard print eraser, blue, black, and red ink pens, and a few more markers and dry erase. So that is her pencil pouch for school. She has a collapsible water bottle. I get these from Amazon in a multi-pack. She has a pencil sharpener that has some pencil cap erasers inside. She has this dominoes game, and I got it at the Dollar Tree. It didn't come with instructions, so I found some instructions online and printed them. It's instructions to several different dominoes games. Unfortunately, the instructions are only in English. Perhaps I will do a little more research and try to find some instructions in a couple of other different languages, maybe Spanish and French. She has some scissors for school, just some smaller student scissors. She has a necklace. This is a necklace I got on clearance at Walmart the other day. It has a cat on it, and so, I mean, that could be a leopard, right? And she has some 3D stickers, a bunch of stickers. I have some crafting friends that donate lots of stickers to me. These are flowers and butterflies. She has a little plush. I only had room for a small one, but it is this very cute leopard, very soft. So she has a little leopard plush. She has these colored pencils, 12-pack Crazy Art from Walmart. She has a pair of sunglasses. I got these on clearance at Walmart the other day, and I put them in a case that I got from the Dollar Tree, and these were only 50 cents in the clearance aisle at Walmart. Love these because they have a leopard print on them. So she has sunglasses. She has a pair of shoes that have a leopard print. I got these on clearance at Walmart. They were $2. Inside the shoes, she will find another pair of socks, just white with black polka dots, an extra set of shoelaces. These just are light pink with sparkles. Sonia from Sonia's Shoeboxes suggested sending these extra shoelaces along with a pair of shoes. And I thought that was a great idea. I got these on clearance at Walmart for $1. She has, this is kind of a unique item. I have a retired art teacher friend who donated me a whole bag of these cute pins. As you can see, it's a pin. It's just like 3 larger puzzle pieces glued together and then decorated. It looks like with just some metallic gold paint. I just think that is so cute and creative, and so this young lady can pin that on her shirt or her tote bag. I have this little magnetic bookmark. I got these in a set of 4 at the Dollar Tree. She has an organza bag here that has several things tucked inside. A little mending kit. Thank you, Denise. Denise sent me a bunch of these little mending kits as well. She has this very cute beaded bracelet with sparkly beads on it. I don't know if you can really see, but they really sparkle, and it says fierce. So I thought that was very appropriate for this leopard box. And another bracelet. This one has wooden beads on it. That's also very cute. And then I just tucked in some hair ties, some different kinds of hair ties, and some hair clips. Just a couple of black ones and a couple of leopard print hair clips. So she also has a headband. She has a couple of headbands. This one's just solid black. This one has a leopard print. And then she has some scrunchies. One of them has a leopard print, and then the other two are just solid colored brownish gold and kind of a tan colored. So those are really cute. I think that they will match her t-shirt as well as the headbands, and so I hope she likes those. And then in this shoe I tucked in a tote bag. I got these in a multi-pack from Amazon. She has a couple of nail clippers, 2 different sizes. This one is a toenail clipper. It's very cute in the shape of a foot from Dollar Tree, and it has this matching little fingernail clipper. For her washcloth, I included a magic towel. This one has Mulan on it. She has a toothbrush, of course, with a cap. She has her bar of soap and a lip balm, and there is also an emery board in there. And she has this comb. It's a nice size comb. This is a little bit of a splurge. I got it from Kohl's, but I used my rewards points and a coupon. So I got that nice sturdy comb tucked in the shoe, and that's what I have in the shoes. And then there is a notebook in here. These are notebooks that I got for 10 cents the other day at Walmart. And she has this very cute bracelet, snap wrist bracelet. It has a leopard print on it. And these images of these LOL dolls, and those faces are real cute. They slide across the ruler. And she has, from the Dollar Tree, this doodle diary. These are very cute. They have several different styles of these at my Dollar Tree. They have lined and blank paper in them, so they're great. Just a note to the child. I got these cards. I got 2 or 3 of these at Michael's on clearance for 50 cents. They're very cute. They say "Be Beautiful" on them. And so I just, wrote our note and included a family photo inside the note card. And then last but not least, she has a adult coloring book. This one from the Dollar Tree. This one says "Day Trip, Enchanting Outings to Color," and there's beautiful images. The first one is this giraffe on the carousel, and there's lots of beautiful images for this young lady to color with her colored pencils and her markers that I included in the box. And so that is my leopard print box. I think I forgot to show you that inside the doodle diary I have some more stickers. I don't think these are leopards. I think they're cheetahs, but I thought I would include them in this box anyway. And then just some gold heart-shaped stickers. And so that is the leopard print box. And if you saw something you liked, I hope you'll hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed and would like to do so, I hope you will. And then also, if you would like to leave a comment, as always, I love reading those. I love reading about what you liked and your ideas. And so until next time, I will say goodbye for now.